Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can follow a topic on Twitter. So let's go to Twitter. Okay, here in your Twitter feed page on the top left corner you will see this three horizontal line or the hamburger button. Just tap there. Okay, and in the sliding bar you will see topics. Tap there. Okay, here you will see suggestion and topics from different categories. Select the topics you want to follow. Likewise, okay, now you can go to the following section and you can check what topics you are following. Likewise, to unfollow a topic, just tap on following and you will see this unfollow pop-up. Just tap on it to unfollow the topic. Okay, and you can follow a topic from search bar also, like search for the topic you want. Okay, I want to follow Instagram, so as you can see on the right side that's a follow option. Just tap there and now you are following your topic. Let me go and check. So as you can see, I'm following Instagram now. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can follow a topic on Twitter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.